Problem number 1721. Swapping nodes in a linked list. You are given the head of a linked list and an integer k. Return the head of the linked list after swapping the values of the kth node from the beginning and the kth node from the end. The list is 1 indexes. Okay. K is okay, so for example 1, K is 2, so swap this and then kth node at the end. Okay, I think we can just swap the values. Okay, so maybe I'm thinking, okay, so K will not be 0, and yeah, if we have only two nodes, and yeah, like one with 1 and K is K okay, K will not be larger than N, so K, like maybe K is 1. Oh, K will not be larger than N, maybe K is 2. Okay, so maybe like this, then we will have swap this and this, so we will have yeah, and if we have K is 1, then we will have this swap with this, so still okay. We can swap value, so I think we will have yeah, we'll have 3 pointers, one for finding the kth node from the beginning, and 3 pointers, 2 for finding the kth node from the end. Yeah, and it will be, yeah, I will use like left and right pointer, and it will yeah, like both of them, left and right pointer, and yeah, there will be K minus 1 gap between. Yeah, for example, like so K is 2, then I will have, oh, I can, yeah, like after finding the pointer from the beginning, and I can assign, I can assign like right pointer at the case node from the beginning, and left node will be starting from here. It will be starting from head, and then right will be moving forward till it is the last node. Then the left node will be pointing at the case node from the end. So let's swap the current node, the case node from the beginning and the left node. Okay, so that's so we will have beginning. We'll have a beginning equals head, and left will be head as well. Okay, so we will run k times to find the beginning, to find the case node from the beginning. So for in range k, we will have k minus 1, since we are starting from 1. It's the one indexed linked list. So it will be beginning equals next, and we will have right equals beginning, and we will start our journey for finding the left for finding the case node from the end. So we'll have while right, this will have right node till the last node, and then we will move left and right at the same time, and we will swap we'll swap left value with beginning value. So left value beginning value equals beginning value left value, then return head. Let's see if this case will work. So if k is 2, we will have k minus 1. So beginning will run once, so it will be here at this place, and then let's have it like be here, and right will be at the same place with beginning. Okay, left will be here, and let's find, let's do this while loop while right has next. Okay, right don't have next, so we will have swap the left and beginning, so I have to, yes, okay, correct. And then this case will have be here, L here, and then and b will be 0, so b will not move. Then we'll have right. Yeah, this will not move since k minus 1 is 0. So right will be at the beginning and right has next. Okay, so we'll move to here. Left will move here as well. So then exchange left value and beginning value. Okay, so we will get 2 to 1, yes. Okay.